Yo, what's up, guys? So I saw this video of this chick, another victim to AI slop in the game dev industry, and she uses GenSpark AI and shit, and I wanted to go over some of it.
To GenSpark, an all-in-one jack-of-all-trades AI workspace.
Okay, there's no such thing as a jack of all trades. Jack of all trades is a master of none.
You don't need AI for sounds like jump, hit, or attack.
And you don't need to pay $20 a month for this AI stuff when there's a bunch of game engines out there already. You have Godot, Unreal, Unity. There's a bunch of free open source ones with my freedom, and I can create anything I want without worrying about money. Like, that's so important.
They don't cost you any credits. Redoing the same slide over and over again does.
Okay, well, in Godot or any of the what you see is what you get editors with the game engines, you can just simply alt-tab back to the code or the visualizer and change something around and preview the scene, and it takes less than 5-10 seconds. And it's free. What the fuck?
Our art department. Now let's hit enter.
Oh,
and within a minute or so, we'll have a beautiful presentation.
So it's all AI generated art? Are you serious? The fuck?
That we can use as a guideline for our project. But here's mistake number 3.
Ugh.
And it's being anal about
Oh,
insignificant
anal? That sounds hot. Keep going.
design details. Or
Okay, never mind.
if you keep asking AI to redo the same slide over and over again, not only are you wasting credits, but you will also end up with a low quality, over-processed image.
It's already low quality because it's generated with fucking AI. And also, that's called reiteration and refinement. That's like the most important thing in fucking game development is polishing up assets and controllability and movement of your characters. And like, you have to do reiterations over and over again to, like, what the fuck? This doesn't make sense.
So I had to manually fix it in Photoshop.
Okay, so you're paying for a Photoshop cloud subscription thing, which I don't know how much it is per month. So you're paying for that, unless this is a cracked version of it, which I don't think it is. So you're paying that plus the GenSpark AI subscription as well to make this shit? You gotta be trolling me.
But instead of asking Claude to fix it, let's just ask him how to fix it ourselves. So
Holy fuck, I think I just had a stroke.
to modify. You don't need to be a software developer to follow these instructions. You're just playing with numbers. For example, let's open a really cool prototype.
All right, let's go.
And we can finally
Let's see
play
what
it.
you got. What the fuck is this? Bro, there's 25-plus-year-old Visual Basic 6 games that look way cooler than this shit. I think in our web design class, when we were making games with Adobe Flash, the games turned out fucking better than this. Holy shit, dude. Projectile colliding. Oh my god. Alright, I apologize. Dude, this game is awesome. Dude, what am I doing?
And thank you so much for watching.
I'm sorry.
If you found this video
I'm sorry, miss. That game was awesome. One of the best I've seen. Holy fuck. I'm about to click on this. Oh my god, we got 100 free credits. Let's go! GenSpark AI, baby! Woo!